Okay, I am making this video because I could not find a video on this topic. I have spilled resin on my LCD screen and it is cured, but the typical methods for removing this, I have tried and it has not worked. I've used the IPA alcohol and it did not help. I tried microwaving paper towels for 3 minutes, making it scalding hot, lying it on top, and that did not soften it. I just can't get a bite to start prying up the resin without trying to use my metal scraper, which I know is a bad idea. So, online, I heard that I can use a heat gun. However, I have not found any tutorials for using a heat gun to make the resin rubbery, to hopefully remove it easier. Now, I do understand there are risks involved with this, with making it too hot and the glass shattering. So I don't know. We're going to test it out. I was able to pick up this heat gun for $5 on Facebook Marketplace earlier today. Saves me from going to try a hair dryer, which strangely enough, one does not exist in my house, even though there are 3 girls here. But I'm going to try it on the lowest setting, and we'll see what happens. Okay, yep, it's hot. Yep, it can be very hot, so I will just do this briefly, and I will test it a few times. Maybe I should just focus on one area. I have seen that it's recommended to use plastic razor blades, which I do not own. And they have to start picking some up. I also see the recommendation for a screen cover, which I did not know existed, but since they do, maybe I should try that as well. So it's making it warm, not exactly hot so far. I still wish to try it like this before I increase the heat, just because without a tutorial, I really don't know what I'm doing. Ouch. got that piece off in the middle. Maybe that's promising. Ouch. Yep, don't touch the metal of the nozzle. Well, I'm going to pause this and try to work on it, and I'll come back if I start finding success. So I've been doing this for 7 minutes now, and the screen, while touchable, is actually pretty warm, and I can't keep my fingers on it, yet the resin has not turned rubbery to the point I can scrape it. So I do know that it is in fact heating the resin to a point that it is hot to the touch, and so is the glass, but it is not becoming rubbery to the point that I can get this scraped off. Since the glass is already hot, I don't see a point in continuing to heat it to the point where it could shatter. So I am going to have to say that heat gun may not be an effective way to remove cured resin.